Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Instagram shopping with Shopify in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Instagram shopping with Shopify in the USA, start by ensuring your business meets Instagram's eligibility requirements. Verify that your business is located in the United States and complies with Instagram's commerce policies. Next, make sure you have an active Instagram business account. Link your Instagram business account to your Facebook business page. Log into your Shopify account and access the Shopify App Store. Search for the Instagram channel in the App Store and click on it. Install the Instagram app to your Shopify store. Once installed, navigate to the Instagram app in your Shopify dashboard. Connect your Instagram account by following the prompts. Select the Facebook business page linked to your Instagram account. After connecting, ensure your product catalog is set up in Shopify. Go to the Sales Channels section in Shopify and add Instagram as a channel. Once added, your product catalog will sync automatically with Instagram. Now, head to your Instagram app and navigate to your settings. Select Business, then tap on Shopping. If your account is eligible, you will see the option to set up a shop. Follow the instructions to connect your shop to your Instagram profile. Create appealing product tags by uploading product images that showcase your items. Once your shop is set up, start tagging products in your Instagram posts and stories. Monitor your engagement and sales performance through the Shopify dashboard. Regularly update your product catalog in Shopify to reflect your inventory. Finally, stay informed about Instagram's evolving features to maximize your shopping experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.